Wrenching Boys YouTube channel.
Alright, so today guys, I'm getting the short box put away for winter. I probably still have another couple weeks before it snows, but I want to get everything done and out of the way. So when it is snowing, my truck is inside, I can work on it for the winter, get everything modified, changed, maintenance done on it. You will see more of the square body here later down the road. Still, we're trying to figure out what we want to do for parts and what we're going to buy. But yes, gonna get the short box in the garage. Had to move some things around, but we'll get it in the garage, and I got another surprise for you guys. So stay tuned. It's just nothing but a Chevy family around here. Used to own Dodge, got rid of that. Actually owned 2 Dodges, got rid of that. Best thing ever. Chevy for life. But man, just impressed with this. Alright guys, you ready for the exciting part? Here it comes. Alright, so let's unbox this first one here. Oh yeah. Sweet deal. That's weird. Okay. So, if you don't know what this is already, we got Ching Chong Chinese Turbo here. So this is basically the same exact turbo. This is the same exact turbo that I had on my red truck, but now we're gonna throw it on this my short box, and we'll see how that goes. Should be the same. It should be just as fun, but there we go. Looks like a little better build quality than the last one I had. So, let's see how that goes. Got the T4, I think it's the big hot side. GT45, twin stroll T4, but I'm gonna run it on one on each side of the motor, so there's that. They all come with these gaskets. I wouldn't recommend using them. I'd recommend getting better gaskets. So here's this. Let's open up this other box. Oops. Oh yeah. Parts got delivered off too. So make sure everything's good. Yep. I can't wait to throw these on. Same exact deal. GT45. Big hot side. I wish it was the smaller, but it is what it is. Can't complain. Back's wrapped up. There's a surprise. You'll have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned and keep watching to see what happens on the progress of this build. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try to continue posting videos. It's kind of hard right now with work, but I'm gonna try to keep up with the build. I really didn't cover my last red truck turbo truck build. It's kind of gonna be the same, but not really. Single versus twin. So we'll see how much these twins light up better than the single. That was the S480, but I did start with a GT45 at the beginning. So we'll see how the twin GT45s handle on a 5.3 while the 6-liter gets built. And it's just going to be a stock 5.3. Gonna gap the rings, hone it, put studs in it. It's going to get a cam, and we'll go from there. And we'll see how that turns out. 6-liters are getting expensive, and they're getting harder to find, so we're gonna try a 5.3 out, see how it makes. I know more cubic inches is more power, but I'm gonna keep uploading, and just stay tuned and keep watching. If you haven't already, like I said, make sure you comment and then hit that little bell down by my name. When you subscribe, you'll get all the notifications. Alright guys, take care.